This kitchen, although relatively new, was completely dysfunctional. With 2 islands, the homeowner was walking around in circles to get around the large space. The new design created a totally functional kitchen space with 1 long island that fits the homeowner's style. The team then replaced the hardwood floor with a unique random tile layout to tie the dining, kitchen, and family room together. New custom cherry cabinets and a quartz countertop with a 3-inch mitered edge became the new focus of the room, incorporating existing appliances for cost savings. Updating the fireplace and mantel as part of the cabinetry plan pulls the whole room together.